Hey, if you are using your HUAWEI Sound Joy speaker and this speaker keeps disconnecting from your phone or any other device, I can recommend you to first of all just forget this speaker. So go into the Bluetooth settings, click on the settings icon, tap to disconnect and forget, then tap to forget device and turn off Bluetooth on your device. Next on the speaker, I can recommend you to perform the hard reset. So it looks like this, that you have to locate this power and the place button when your speaker is turned on, and also find the minus button. So click and hold on these two buttons together like this, and wait until your lights turns orange like this. Now when you hear that sound, you can release both buttons and your speaker will simply restart. So now we have to wait for that welcome sound. There we go. Now it is blinking, so it's turned on to the pairing mode manual automatically. So power on Bluetooth back, then go to the pair new device, and from available devices list you have to select your HUAWEI Sound Joy speaker. Accept the pairing, and here we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe. Bye bye.